Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the initial mapping process for the Narwal Flow. This is going to be what you do right after you get the device set up within your Narwal account. If you're interested in the flow, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we just set up our Narwal Flow. So we're going to enter into the device. And right here, by default, it pops up automatically. There's nothing else we can do. Look, I can exit out of that, and it takes us right back here. We can select the device again. It's always going to go to this option where we need to create a map and start the mapping process. So you should see the exact same thing on your screen. If not, you can go to the settings gear here. And down here, there's a map management option. And you can add a map right there. So for some reason, you have a different screen or can do other things here that we can't do. You should be able to find it either way. But it should automatically be the first thing you do once you get the device added to your account. So go ahead, follow the prompts right here, putting the station where it needs to be, tidying up your house, leaving the doors open that you want mapped, and the doors closed to rooms that you don't want mapped, and then select the Start Mapping option. So we got a prompt here, are there stairs in your house? You can answer that accordingly. Now it's self-testing right here. It's going to go out, it's going to exit the base station and continue on with mapping. It'll take a couple minutes, it'll come back, and the map will be populated. All right, mapping has been completed. It took 9 minutes. We have a nice checklist here of everything that it's completed and identified. It took 9 minutes for 500 square feet. We can clean now, or we can edit the map if we need to configure this any further. Let's go ahead, let's select Edit Map. And from here, we can see all the different rooms and options, carpet, the flooring type, all of that right there can be customized. I definitely recommend at this stage selecting each carpet in your house, if you have any, to get it exactly how you want it for cleaning. You can customize, you can change the default right here, but you definitely want to make sure your carpets are exactly how you want them before you do your first clean, to not have like wrong expectations or be confused why it didn't go on your carpets or things like that. You want to make sure that it's configured. You can do that again on a carpet by carpet basis right there within the app. So very easy to take the map that it's made and change it as you see fit. But I like everything right here, how it did it. So there's nothing that I'm personally going to change. But simple, straightforward to get your house mapped.